Alright guys, so where we are with the M55 pretty much is I've changed the spark plugs, coil packs, higher pressure, upgraded to low pressure, and on my top end now, I'm misfiring still. Well, it wasn't doing it before, it just started recently. I sent a log to my tuner and he said, looks like one of your injectors is getting stuck open. I just ordered some injectors and I'm hoping that works. If that works, it will be fine. I can go run U40, turn the boost back up to 23. Right now I'm at 17. I'm gonna see if it still misfires at 17. But right now I'm not gonna go too hard on the car. Just gonna, you know, show off the interior a little bit. I just got this ambient lighting kit. This is the first POV I'm recording with the ambient lighting. I haven't gone on 23 yet. I went up to 20 on E40 and that bitch was moving, but I think my injectors might be failing. I've only ever replaced one up until this point, so I'm praying to God that my injectors that come in, I ordered 5 more because I already replaced one, so let's see if it, you know, ordering that one will fix it. For my boost to build on this big kit. In the future I do want to go top mount. I mean, I like the bottom mount, you know, it's a more sleeper look, more stock look, but it's like, I don't know, I kind of look, you want to see the turbo. I can't really see it. My engine may look stock, but I'm gonna run the sleeper look for a little more longer. Maybe by the time I get this setup dialed in and it's reliable and all the kinks are worked out, then I'll probably go top mount after that. I'm gonna make a video talking about that. I just seen MHD talking about N55 being the least capable and the smallest platform, blah blah blah, but I'm like, bro, come on, bro. Once you go upgrade a turbo on this car, there's like, I'm not worried about nothing. So I'm gonna show MHD, bro. We gotta get MHD to give us all that shit, cause this is getting ridiculous. I need anti-lag from MHD themselves, okay? I need anti-lag. Why can't I have anti-lag? I have a bigger turbo than all the M54 motherfuckers I know, and I can't get anti-lag. Yeah, alright. Don't worry, we're gonna show MHD what M55 can do. I got you guys. After I get these injectors, I'm racing a cat. I swear to God, I'm going on 23 PSI on the big boost kit. I was told if you go up 1 PSI, that can mean the difference between you getting gapped and you gapping someone on this kit. So I'm at 20 on E40. That shit was moving like, I never want to say my horsepower, but a lot of my friends who were in the car with me, who have actual fast cars and have driven fast cars, they were telling me like this shit feels like 550 plus on E40 on 20. So I'm trying to go on 23 pounds and go out and race some Camaros, Hellcats. I want to see how I can do with those kind of cars. This is how you know I live in the middle of nowhere, bro. Look at these cows, bro. Just casually posted up. I love that sound so much. gonna keep you guys updated with the build. Like I said, everything's up to date with the car. All the maintenance is up. The only thing I'm waiting on right now is these injectors. Let's pray to God these injectors work. My misfire stops. If I can get this misfire to stop, I'll be trying to boost up to 23, going on back on E40, and I'm gonna I have a lot of races lined up. There's a Mustang I want to race, Hellcat too. Doing some pulls with it, seeing how that goes. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep you guys posted. Peace out.